Hey guys, it's Jennifer with the Wiki Natural. I am going to do my nighttime routine to take all of my makeup off my face. So stay tuned, and I'm going to use my TimeWise 3D skincare system to do it. So stay tuned. Hey, I'm back. Okay, so first I'm going to go right into this video to show you what I've done to take off my makeup. So I'm first going to start off with my oil-free eye makeup remover. Now, let me just tell you about this stuff right here. This stuff is great for people who wear lashes because it takes the lashes right off, and it helps clean the lashes as well as your natural lashes. So see, so all I did, I'm going to saturate the other side. I'm just going to place this cotton ball over my face for a second and just wipe, and there you go. It also conditions your lashes so that eye mites don't get on your lashes, lash mites, and so it takes care of that as well. And it's oil free. I'm just going to use the other side. So first we take off our eye makeup. Now, first we're going to take off our eye makeup. Okay, I'll be right back with the next step. Okay guys, I'm back. If you can tell, I've added a little bit more lighting. Just a little side point, I did go to Walmart and get some lighting, inexpensive lighting. I got a ring light that has a bendy thing, and I also got a LED light. And I found the LED light really cheap from the camping department at the Walmart, so you may want to check that out. It will give you a little bit more lighting. Here, let's play with it a little bit. Rid of the shadows. Okay. Alright, so getting right into it, we're going to wash our face. So we're going to start off with the TimeWise cleanser. This particular formulation is for from normal to oily. So this is for combination skin. This is great for the summertime, you guys. And you just put it on. I put it on first all over. Then I get a little, and you just need a little bit, because once you see how much this lathers, you're going to be like, oh my goodness. So next I take my brush right here, my trusty brush. I'm going to close the door so hopefully I won't get interrupted, but I always get interrupted. Okay, so I'm going to put a little water on my face, just a little bit, and you can see that it's sudsing up, you guys. Sudsing up, okay? Sudsing up. Alright, so I'm going to turn on my sonic brush. I'm going to probably not do the full minute. And this is once you've done your eye makeup remover. Some people like to do a cleansing cloth or a cleansing soap before doing this step to get their makeup off first. But this does a pretty good job of getting the makeup off. See? You can see how dirty that is, okay? So once I do that, I'm just going to rinse that off, shut it off. And it cleans right up, see? Okay, so I'm done with that. Now I'm going to take my washcloth. Just wipe off my face. Okay. Hopefully I don't need to tell you the importance of washing your face twice a day, because once to get all this oil and sweat off from at night, in the morning, and then after you come in from being outside, washing your face again. Alright, so once you've done that, I might have just a little bit, I might have to do another pass, because sometimes when you wash your face, it softens up the mascara. So I might take another pass at that eye makeup remover to get the rest off, just to be on the safe side. See, it did take some more off. You could always do it again. And I wear magnetic lashes, y'all, and this takes the magnetic gel eyeliner right off, okay? So, see, there we go. Okay. There you go. So now, the next step, I'm going to take my night cream. It's really simple. In the morning, you use your day cream, which has your SPF 30 in it. Some people who are sensitive to SPF, we also have a formulation without the SPF. So day cream for moisturize your face. And then this is the night cream. The night cream has more antioxidant and anti-aging benefits that will allow your skin to soak in and take more of it in at night to provide more of a thing. Now this is your eye cream. The eye cream does come with the set. Okay. And so the eye cream is right here. And you dab it in. You notice I'm just dabbing it in. Getting to the wrinkle part right here. I'm coming in. Okay. Once that's in, I finish off with my night solution, my night cream. Just a little bit, y'all. You do not need a lot of this, and I probably am using too much. Okay, and you just rub it in. I think I washed my neck. Let's hope I did. Okay. And then, as an added benefit, you guys, I take that sonic brush again. I'm taking off this head right here, and I'm putting on the massaging head to give your skin a little bit of a massage. So I take it and do that. Loosens up your face. Sometimes you get a lot tense muscles, and this is really good for relieving sore muscles in your face. Your face has a lot of muscles in it, y'all. I don't know the exact number. I think it's, I don't know, I won't guess. But you have to have muscles to make all the facial expressions. So this is just to relieve the muscles, and it's to help circulation and start rejuvenating the skin. So I use this at night. And this, what's great about this is waterproof, water resistant, and it shuts off after a minute. I just shut it off, but it shuts off after a minute, so you don't overdo it. Okay, so that's it. Now, there's one other thing I do like to do, actually two other things I do like to do at night is at night, sometimes I will do my lip scrub at night and follow up with my lip balm, but today I'm just going to put on my lip balm. Okay, and this is not done every night, it's as you need. And then because I do wear lashes now, just started recently wearing lashes, I put my lash primer on because it has B5 panthenol in it, and it will condition your lashes. So I do that first. Hey, by the way, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe if you like this video, and hit the notification bell, because that just helps me out. And I hope you like this content. I try to be short and sweet with this content. So this is a lash primer. You can use it before you put on mascara. You could use it by itself. And then this is your lash and brow building serum. So this doesn't really tell what it does. I know it has B5 in it. It helps condition and lengthen your lashes. And then at night, and this is great for us ladies who are getting more mature, like fine wine, as they say. Okay, so oh wow, okay, it did cut off. You saw my light just cut off. You saw how my light just cut off. Okay, because it's connected to my computer. Okay, so the last part is just taking this right here and putting it on my brow. Putting it on my brow. And then taking this right here and putting it on my brow. You can also apply this to your lashes as well, but I'm not going to do that since I already did the lash primer. And that's it. I was getting close to the end of this video anyway. So that's it, you guys. Listen, you may want to use Mary Kay, you may not. But please, y'all, wash your face twice a day with other things other than water. I hear too many people saying, oh, I just wash my face with water. No, 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 no. Find something that works for you and wash your face twice a day. It could be whatever you want. There's a lot of skincare out there. Just make sure Mary Kay prides itself on being, what is the words? Let me say the words exactly right. Dermatologist tested, suitable for sensitive skin, oil and fragrance free, meaning they do not add any fragrances. It might have a smell, but it's a natural smell, and non-cosmogenic. So that means it will not break you out, will not clog your pores. Okay, so for you girls who like a natural lines, you can look for my video about using naturally, or if you're a young girl, if you want to use botanical effects, we have that. If you have acne, we also have acne prone, a system for acne prone skin. So check out some of my other videos. I'll link them below and up here so you can check them out. And just wash your face, y'all. It's not that hard. Just wash your face and moisturize. Moisturize is key. Okay? And I will see you next time. Stay Wookie, stay Wookie, stay Wookie.